solution sa mga sa mga clients natin dito. Okay, ito po yung mga permits namin, Certificate of Incorporation, Certificate of Registration, and Business Permits. And GCash is also part of the AMLA. So nag-comply kami sa lahat ng mga requirements ni AMLA to certify the Anti-Money Laundering Council. And then also, we are member of the CMAP. So, we are proud of the member of Credit Management Association of the Philippines, enabling us to access reliable credit information. So some of you are familiar to naman kay CMAP na. And ito yung certificate from CMAP, and ito po yung mga in-offer namin mga services and travel fund assistance. Lending services, ito yung mga objectives, okay? Okay, student visa loan. So, at saka mga expenses nyo sa abroad. Gaya na nabanggit kanina ni ma'am, we are here to cater your expenses na nakakailangan ninyo sa mga applications nyo. Like yung mga programs na nabanggit kanina, so may mga mababanggit pa mamaya, at saka yung mga kailangan yung i-prepare for financial. So, saan kayo kukuha ng mga finances nyo? So, nandito po yung in-offer ni Phil Global Lending. Yan. Meron kaming microloan, personal loan, business loan, OFW, at saka casinos and collateral loan. So, dito may mga mag-a-apply through abroad, so kailangan mo ng pang-process. So, saan ka pupunta? So, kung meron kang relative mo, or mother mo, father mo, brother mo, sister mo, that they are pwede namin siya ma-cater kung OFW siya, seaman, or you have a business, or even a collateral, so pwede nyong i-apply kay Phil Global Lending. So,